Everybody, welcome to our Annual Day Celebration 2021. When we pray with faith, we express it through our sincere thanks to Him. God knows our needs, limitations and problems. Prayer is talking to God Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So let's start our 46th Annual Day Celebration, Utsaha 2021. The first ever virtual Annual Day celebration with the presence of God.
It is my honor to welcome you all on Annual Day, where we will be celebrating our school's achievements. I, Buddha, along with my co-host Dancio, welcome you all on behalf of this faithful family. We are truly blessed with your presence.
Yes, you are right, Buddha. This is the day beyond waiting the year. It is the day of celebration, success and tradition. To double the joy of the day, we are graced with the presence of great personalities too.
Let us see together a colorful rainbow program unfold. To start with, I would like to call upon Ms. Lekashri to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning, everyone. I am profoundly joyous and honored to welcome everyone. I would like to show my gratefulness and welcome our chief guest, Mr. and Mrs. Ali, who have graced us with their presence here on this occasion. We welcome you, sir, ma'am. I would like to welcome our senior principal, sir, and correspondent, ma'am, who have reached the pinnacle of success in their field of work after much struggle. Thank you for being an inspiration as we hope to become like you one day. I would like to extend a warm welcome
वार्तापि गणपतिं भजे हम 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 वारणाशं वारणाशं वरप्रदं श्री वार्तापि गणपतिं भजे सरे ग सा नि पा ग सरे ग भूत भौतिक प्रपंच भरणं वीतरागिनं विनुतयोगिनं विश्वकारणं विघ्नवारणं वातापि गणपतिं भजे हम वारणाशं वरप्रदं श्रीवातापि गणपतिं वक्रतुण्डं प्रणवास्वरूप वक्रतुण्डं नीलामकरवित्रितेक्षुखण्डं कराम्बुजपाशबीजापूरम् गगनि सनि पगनि गरि गरि सनि पदिस जगनि पगतानि कराम्बुजपाशबीजापूरं कलुषविदूरं भूताहारं हरादि गुरुगुहदोषितबिम्बं हंसध्वनिभूषितहेरम्बं वातापि गणपतिं भजे हम
Junuta, dimta, kirdaka junuta, dimta, kirdaka junuta, dumta, dumta na 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 na, dum ta na 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 na, dum agapa.
Dom dom da na na de ra na 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 dom dom magasa.
Ragda dum da 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 di ra na 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 na.
Da 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 dom da 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 dom da da dom 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 da na 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 de ra na 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 dom.
Kirta na di ra na, gama gama maga ma ba maga sa ni sa. Kirta na di ra na, gama gama maga ma ba maga sa ni sa. Kirta na di ra na, gama gama maga ma ba maga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama ba ma gama ma, gama ba ma gama sa. Gama ba ma gama ma, gama ba ma gama sa. Gama ba ni pa gama ma, gama ba ma gama sa 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 gama. I'm in love with your body. Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why.
Niri ba ma ba ga re sa ni.
Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why.
Pa ni sa sa pa ni sa sa pa ni sa sa.
Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why.
Ga re ni sa ba ga re sa ni da ba.
Oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why.
Sa ni da ba ma ga re sa ni.
Wow, the push here with one artist playing a nostalgic performance. Nothing can top a bar with beauty and classicness of a heritage.
I request our admirable principal ma'am to present the annual report.
My morning wishes to our respected trustee, Mr. Sandeep, Senior Principal Sir, Mr. Shankarlal, Madam Correspondent Mrs. Sumati, Vice Principal Sir Mr. Selvam, Academic Advisor Ma'am Mrs. Erilarasi, Headmistress Ma'am Mrs. Sudha Patrick, Coordinator Ma'am Mrs. Vidyavani, Alma Mater, staff members, parents and beloved students. It makes me a proud principal of Springfield as I announce that we have crossed 45 years and stepped into the 46th year. On this special occasion, I thank each of you for being a part of Springfield. What we started just with 13 students, 2 teachers and 1 supporting staff, we stand tall today with 1,500 students, 100 staff and supporting staff. Our school has made innumerable achievements in academic, cultural, sporting, civic, leadership and social endeavors. We aim for all-round high achievement and high quality outcome. We give priority for providing environment that supports learning, teaching and friendship. Without the support of each of you, it would never have been this big. Dear staff, it's your enthusiasm, support and dedication that we together have come to this height. We are indebted to you, dear staff. We are also grateful to you, dear parents, who trust us to provide this immaculate service to your wards. Your demands, challenges and feedbacks have pushed us to go further and improve vigorously. Our success story remains incomplete without you. Dear students, on this auspicious occasion, let me tell you this. With your academic excellence and learning life skills, let us keep up the school standards so that we explore new heights in the upcoming years. Now, I am presenting you the annual report for the year 2019-2020. Apart from the constant quest for the academic excellence, great importance is being given to the extracurricular activities and co-curricular activities. Our vision is described by the logo, body, mind and spirit, which emphasizes on the holistic development of the overall personality of the students. Academic performance. In the academic year 2019-2020, 76 pupils were enrolled for 10th standard SSLC public examination. But due to the pandemic situation, the board examination was not held and the results were declared based on the performance in quarterly and half-yearly examination. The school topper, Ms. Tejaswini K, secured 467 out of 500. 126 students appeared for the higher secondary first year examination and all the children cleared the examination. Kirtana K stood first by securing 558 out of 600. 94 students appeared for the higher secondary second year examination and Nikita K. Judy stood first by securing 553 out of 600. K. Lalit secured centum in Maths. Technology in education. Digital teaching system is followed in our school to enable the students to have long-term memory. All the classrooms are provided with the digital teaching system to provide visual education in order to invoke constant interest for learning in students. The school events from the August of 2019 to March 2020. Annual Day. The 45th Annual Day for the year 2019-20 was celebrated on Tuesday, the 27th August 2019 at Kamarajar Arangam, Tenampet, Chennai 6. Scientist V. Ponraj, former advisor to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, presided over the function. The rank holders, centum scorers and pupils with 100% attendance were honored on that occasion. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th September 2019. Teachers who produced centum scorers, 100% results in their subjects were awarded with the gold coins and cash awards. The celebration ended with the provision of lunch to the staff by the management. Children's Day. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was celebrated on 14th November 2019. Talent Gala in connection with the Children's Day was conducted. Students of class KG to 9th participated in various competitions and displayed their talents. Our senior principal sir presided over the function and delivered the Children's Day message. The prizes were distributed to the winners on this day. Throwball Tournament. The 3rd Jyoti Lakshmi Memorial Throwball Tournament for girls was organized on 23rd January 2020 in our school premises. Our senior principal sir declared the tournament open. Around 22 schools participated in this event. The best players of each team were honored with awards. The winner team from Velamal Metric retained the winner trophy and Kalki Ranganathan School won the runner-up trophy. Field trips. Field trips are ways of enhancing classroom learning by making real-world connection. They expose students to different places, lifestyle and eras. Our school organized field trips for the classes 1 to 9. Classes 1 and 2 were taken to Railway Museum. Classes 6 to 9 were taken to Farm Guru. Through this field trip, children learned through real-life situations. Kindergarten Graduation Day. Kindergarten Graduation Day was conducted on Saturday, 7th March 2020. Madam Dr. A. Alma Juliet Pamela, Associate Professor in Stella Matutina College of Education, delivered the convocation address and conferred the degrees. The correspondent ma'am and the senior principal sir blessed the graduates and the principal led them in taking the oath. Club activities. Various club activities for classes 3 to 8 take place in our school campus on Saturdays. Last year, the students were given training in various skills under these club activities. Hindi Literary Club. In the month of January 2020, the Hindi Literary Club through Hindi Prachar Sabha enrolled 70 students of class 5 for Parichay exam and 87% of the students passed out and obtained certificate. 70 students of class 6 wrote Prathmik exam and 56 students obtained certificate. They are the proud certificate holders for learning the 4th language. Karuna Club. Our school is an active member of Karuna International. Under this club, various activities are conducted to promote vegetarianism and compassion towards living beings. Karuna Club members joined their hands with various concerns and conducted dental checkup, medical checkup and eye camp. They also conducted Nature Conservation Day, Ahimsa Peace Rally, World Environment Day, Compassion Story Writing Competition, Animal Rights Day, Grandparents Day, Mother's Day, UNO Day, Martyrs Day, Wildlife Week, World Yoga Day and Women's Day until March 2020. English Literary Club. Students from classes 6 to 9 are given various training under this program to create awareness in newspaper reading and to improve their vocabulary and general knowledge. The literary clubs organized Ethnic Day to bring out the importance of our culture. Students of standard 3 to 8 are given special training in communicative English and book reading. Science Club. The Science Club commemorated the National Science Day on 28 February 2020 in remembrance of Sir C.V. Raman. The importance of science in our day-to-day life was brought out by a speech. Max Club. Students from class 3 to 9 are given training with the help of this club in order to inculcate the interest in solving problems. They are also given training in abacus under the guidance of this club. Art and Craft Club. For the students of class 3, 4 and 5, drawing, coloring, Android robotics, chess, fabric painting, dance and vocal are practiced under this club. Added activities like keyboard, drums, flower making and jewellery making are given as part of the curriculum. Activities from March 2020 to January 2021. Academics. During the pandemic situation, all the classes were conducted online. Teachers enthusiastically came forward and participated in the training program conducted for online teaching, thanks to the hard work and vibrant cooperation of our dedicated staff. All the celebrations during this pandemic period were the virtual celebrations. Tamil Literary Club. The 118th birthday of Sri K. Kamaraj, the great leader, was celebrated as Kalvi Ezhuchi Naal on Wednesday, the 15th July 2020. The legacy of the great leader was taken to the students through online, which inspired them. Independence Day. 74th Independence Day was celebrated in the school premises on August 15, 2020. The national flag was unfurled and the Independence Day message was delivered by the principal. The cultural programs were shown to the students through online. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day celebrations for the year 2020 was also held online on September 5th, 2020. Students took part in cultural programs from their respective houses and the programs were shown online. All the teachers attended this program. Senior Principal Sir addressed the audience. With that, the celebration ended. Children's Day. Children's Day celebration for the year 2020 was also held only through online on November 14, 2020. Senior Principal Sir and Principal Ma'am addressed the students. All the teachers wished the students virtually. Cultural programs which were done by the teachers such as puppet show and storytelling to entertain the children were shown virtually. Heritage and Music Club. Important festivals are celebrated in our club, in our school under this club. This year, all the festivals were celebrated through online. We celebrated Ramzan, Krishna Jayanti, Vinayaka Chaturthi, Vilaka Puja, Hayagrivas Puja, Christmas, Onam, Pongal and many other festivals. Inter-school competitions. P.L. Dhanalakshmi of class 8A got the third prize in the Children's Day drawing competition held by the Department of Museums. A. Jayaprakash and V. Punraj of class 9 were selected for the final round in the quiz competition held by Dinamalar. R. Tanushree of class 7C secured second position in the international level Bharatanatyam competition held by Nalata Trust, Trichy, Bharatanatyam Artist Group. P.L. Dhanalakshmi of class 8 again got third prize in drawing competition held by Victoria Technical Institute, Chennai. A. Kirtika of class 8 won Rupees 10,000 cash award in Inspire Manak Scheme Awards organized by Tamil Nadu Science and Technology Center. World record attempted by the students Pooja Shri V, Tanushree R and Srilekha of class 7 and Tanushree K, Darshana Shri SS and Shreyasa of class 8 in Sadar 10,000 Bharatanatyam dance competition conducted by the Department of Tourism of Tamil Nadu. P.L. Dhanalakshmi of class 8 won cash award in painting competition held by the Hindu Young World. I. Hindu Mitra of 3rd C got first place in drawing competition held by Vani Vidyalaya CBSE School, Chennai. Our school children participated in the International English, Science and Maths Olympiad competitions held by Science Olympiad Foundation and won gold medals. E. Harish and V. Gokul of class 9 got third place and won Rs 500 cash award in Science Project exhibition held by SRM Institute of Science and Technology Center. K. Kirtana and J. Antovirgina got second and third places respectively in the speech competition on the topic Awareness of COVID-19 and Preparedness to Overcome was conducted through online by Ishwari Engineering College, Ramapuram. S.P. Devarishi of class 3B secured first place and R. Giri Nishant of 3C secured third place under category 7-8 in second state level invitational open karate competition 2019 conducted by Zenkovan Ishin Ryu Karate Do Association of India. T. Vaishnavi of class 2C secured third place in Open Karate Championship conducted by Rinshi Meeran Rian Do Ishin Ryu Karate. M. Shweta of 5A secured second place in first Tiruvallur Open National Karate Championship 2020 conducted by Alantilak Karate School International. A. Madhushri Niveda secured first place in Kata and Kumite in 5th State Level Karate Championship. The management and staff have endeavored sincerely to bring about the holistic development of the pupils for the past 45 years. We have taken a lot of steps for the development of the infrastructure to achieve the school vision, body, mind and spirit. I pray the Almighty that our pursuit of excellence may continue and grow from strength to strength. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, madam.
This is a big opportunity for me to welcome our chief guest today, Mr. Sandeep, who is one of the trustees of our school. He did BE Mechanical Engineering in Madurai Kamaraj University and secured the second university rank. He did his MS degree in Wright State University, Dayton, Ohio, United States of America. He is working for Amazon Seattle, USA. It is really an honor to have such a distinguished figure as the chief guest today, and having his presence is motivational and inspirational for the students of our school. We would like to welcome you once again, and all our students is waiting to hear your speech.
A warm welcome to parents, students, staff, and faculty members. I am honored and humbled to address you on this occasion. We are celebrating this annual day in the most unusual situation and in the most unconventional way. I acknowledge that it's been a hard and an unusual year for everybody. Parents have to do what they were doing earlier, either at home or work, and also take care of your kids. Being a parent, I understand how hard this can be. The students have done a phenomenal job to transition to virtual learning literally overnight by learning new tools and technologies. Last but not the least, the kudos go to the teachers as well, who quickly adapted to the new situation by learning new technologies very quickly and start teaching so that the students do not fall behind in their studies. I express my sincere gratitude to everybody to rise up to the challenge in these difficult circumstances. However hard the last year has been, let's also focus on the positives. Many vaccines across the world were developed in less than a year. Typically, vaccines take about 10 to 15 years to be developed and deployed to the general population. Many countries, including India, have delivered this in record time, and also they've used new technologies like the mRNA technology to develop these vaccines. These new technologies will act as a backbone to cure the incurable diseases like cancer in the future. This is all a learning opportunity for everyone. First of all, whenever there's a problem, think of it as an opportunity to do something great. Secondly, resiliency is a key ingredient for your success. So during times of adversity, I recommend everybody to develop the resiliency muscle so that it's going to serve you well in the future. As they say, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Also, please remember Dr. Nelson Mandela's quote, "Do not judge me by my success, but judge me by how many times I've fallen and got back up again." Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I request our senior principal sir to address the gathering.
Happy morning, everybody. I have great pleasure in welcoming every one of you for this new type of annual day celebration for the academic year 2020 and 2021. Madam Correspondent, respected Principal, respected Vice Principal, respected Academic Advisor, respected Headmistress, respected Coordinator, and Mr. Sandeep, one of our trustees, learned faculty members, distinguished parents, and my beloved children. I have great pleasure in celebrating this annual day for the year 2020 and 2021. It's a new experience for every one of us. Normally we celebrate this annual day in a very huge hall like Kamarajar Karangam, and that was a very splendid experience for every one of you. And this year it's a novel experience for every one of us because of this COVID-19. We were all locked up at home In spite of this unexpected situation, we were continuing our classes through online, and we are keeping in touch with our beloved students and faculty members. A very peculiar situation throughout the world. And I have attended very many online classes. It was too good. Our learned teachers rose up to the occasion, and they did a wonderful job in all this 1 year or so. I appreciate the spirit of students who attended online classes with much enthusiasm. And it was almost similar to the physical classes. Only thing is the eye contact was not there. Still the spirit and enthusiasm were too good. And we never missed even a single function. Of course, we were not able to conduct the athletic meet, and except that, we did all the other activities of the class, of the school. And my beloved children were highly enthusiastic to attend the school. That was quite natural, because in all these years they were attending the school with various activities, and they had a good rapport with their peer group and the teachers as well. But this year, such things never happened. Okay, that doesn't matter. The teaching and learning process went on very well, and I have seen most of the papers in 12th standard, 11th standard and 10th standard. So their performance was wonderful. It was as good as physical classes. So this year we celebrate our 46th annual day in virtual manner, thanks to technology development. Without technology, we would not have done this. And all the teachers were quickly adjusting the atmosphere. They were able to catch up the modern technology of conducting classes through online, so without any inconvenience to the children, because their health is very important. And this is almost the end of this academic year, 2019, 2020 and 21. And in spite of these great difficulties, we were able to keep in touch with our beloved children, respected parents, and the learned faculty members. And our spirit will continue whether we conduct classes through online or physical. The learning outcome was good. It was as good as physical classes. Certain difficulties we were able to understand because the provision of Android cell phone and net connections, so many things. In spite of all those difficulties, we were able to manage. We were able to bring all the students through online. And I extend a good wishes is in the coming academic year 2021 and 22. We have to be free from this type of experience. And I would like to thank all the teachers, and I would like to make my honest salute to them because of their wonderful exhibition of their talents in quickly catching up the new technology. Once again, I thank one and all on this happy occasion. The year is coming to an end. Good luck to all the 12th standard boys and girls to succeed in their public examination, and all the other children also to do well in their final examination. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Thank you.